Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mute a particular chat or conversation on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and then select a conversation that you would like to mute. Swipe to the left side of the screen till these two options pop up. Select the first one, which is the more icon, and then click on mute. Here you can choose from three options. So mute this chat, so mute the message notifications, call notifications, or both messages and call notifications. Click on the relevant one, and then you should select the duration. So mute this chat for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I change it. And as you can see, there is this bell icon indicating that you have muted this chat. So if you want to unmute it, you need to swipe to the left side of the screen, clicking on the more icon, and press the button unmute. So then you are going to get notified about messages and calls. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.